I just built 5 complete web applications using nothing but text descriptions and an AI tool called Lovable Dev. One took 3 minutes. Another handles user authentication, payments, and a full database. This isn't another code assistant. It's generating entire production-ready web apps. In the next 9 minutes, I'll show you exactly what it can build, how it compares to alternatives, and whether it's actually worth using. Here's the problem with current AI coding tools. GitHub Copilot writes individual functions. ChatGPT spits out code snippets you have to piece together. Claude Artifacts builds simple components but nothing deployable. Most developers are still spending weeks building basic CRUD apps, setting up boilerplate, configuring databases. What if an AI could handle the entire full-stack development process? Build the front-end, back-end database schema, authentication, everything, from a single description. Lovable Dev is an AI-powered full-stack development platform that generates complete, deployable web applications from natural language descriptions. Built by a team of former Palantir engineers, it's been in development for over 2 years and just opened to public beta. As you can see on their landing page, it promises to build React applications with Node.js backends, complete with databases, authentication, and modern UI components. The interface looks clean and professional, not another thrown-together AI experiment. They're targeting both experienced developers who want to speed up prototyping and non-developers who need custom web applications. I tested Lovable Dev with 5 real projects to see what it can actually build. First project, a task management app with user authentication and real-time updates. I described what I wanted in plain English: login system, task creation, due dates, team collaboration. Lovable generated a complete React application with a Node.js backend, SQLite database, and WebSocket integration for real-time updates. The code was clean, well-structured, and actually worked on the first try. Total time, 4 minutes. Second test, an e-commerce product catalog with search and filtering. Again, I just described the requirements. Lovable built a responsive interface with product cards, search functionality, category filtering, and even shopping cart logic. The generated code included proper state management with React hooks and a RESTful API structure. Third project, a content management system for a blog. This one was more complex. User roles, content editing, image uploads, SEO optimization. Lovable handled it beautifully, generating admin panels, rich text editors, and even basic SEO meta tag management. The real-time collaboration feature is impressive too. You can iterate on your app by chatting with the AI, making changes in real time while seeing the preview update instantly. It's like pair programming with an AI that understands full-stack architecture. Fourth test, a simple CRM system with contact management and sales pipeline tracking. The AI generated database schemas, API endpoints, and a clean dashboard interface. Finally, a weather dashboard that pulls data from external APIs and displays interactive charts. Every project exported clean, readable code that I could take and deploy anywhere. How does Lovable compare to alternatives? GPT Engineer is similar but focuses more on single-page applications and requires more technical prompting. It's free but outputs are less polished. Replit Agent builds apps too, but they're locked into Replit's ecosystem. You can't easily export and deploy elsewhere. Claude Artifacts creates impressive demos, but they're mostly front-end components, not full applications with backends and databases. V0 by Vercel generates beautiful React components, but again, no backend integration or database handling. Lovable is the only tool I've tested that generates genuinely production-ready full-stack applications. Price-wise, Lovable starts at $20 per month for pro features, with a generous free tier for testing. GPT Engineer is free but limited. Replit Agent costs $20 monthly but locks you into their platform. V0 is free but much more limited in scope. Here's my honest verdict on Lovable Dev. The pros. It genuinely builds complete, deployable web applications that would take experienced developers days or weeks to create manually. The code quality is surprisingly good, clean, maintainable, and follows modern best practices. You own all the code and can export it anywhere, no vendor lock-in. The real-time collaboration and iteration process feels magical. Now the cons. It's limited to web applications only. No mobile apps, desktop software, or other platforms. Complex applications with intricate business logic may still require manual refinement. The platform is relatively new with a smaller community compared to established tools. Non-developers might struggle with optimizing prompts for best results. Overall rating, 8 out of 10. This is the most impressive AI development tool I've tested for full-stack web applications. Perfect for developers who want to rapidly prototype ideas, agencies building client projects quickly, or entrepreneurs who need custom web apps without hiring a full development team. Skip it if you need mobile apps. So if you're building web applications and want to skip the tedious setup and boilerplate code, Lovable Dev is definitely worth testing. The free tier gives you enough credits to build several projects and see if it fits your workflow. I've left a link in the description to try it out. If this breakdown was helpful, subscribe for more AI tool reviews. I'm testing Cursor IDE next week and the results are wild. Thanks for watching.